Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the CT Sounds Dual 12-inch 2600W loaded Tropo series ported car subwoofer box TROPO-2X12D4. This bad boy packs a punch with its RMS power of 1300 watts and a max power of 2600 watts. It comes preloaded with two TROPO-12 dual 4-ohm subwoofers, giving you that extra bass kick you crave on the road. What's neat is that it's pre-wired to 1 ohm final impedance, making installation a breeze. Now, let's talk construction. This subwoofer box is built like a tank, utilizing MDF wood and dado, miter, rabbet joinery design. This not only ensures durability but also helps in delivering crisp, clean sound without any unwanted vibrations or distortions. But let's cut to the chase. How does it sound? In a word, phenomenal. Whether you're blasting hip-hop, EDM, or rock, this subwoofer box handles it all with ease. The bass is deep, rich, and fills the entire car with immersive sound. It truly enhances the audio experience, turning every drive into a concert on wheels. And let's not forget about the design. The sleek, stylish look of this subwoofer box adds a touch of sophistication to any car interior. It's not just about sound, it's about aesthetics too. In conclusion, the CT Sounds Dual 12-inch 2600W loaded Tropo series ported car subwoofer box TROPO-2X12D4 is a must-have for any car audio enthusiast. With its powerful performance, sturdy construction, and sleek design, it's a game-changer for your car audio setup. Trust me, once you experience the difference, you'll wonder how you ever drove without it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.